The ocean was an organic formation, a sort of gigantic entity, a fluid cell, unique and monstrous pre-biological, surrounding the globe with a colloidal envelope, several miles thick in places, an organic structure, extraordinarily evolved. The ocean as a source of electric and magnetic impulses and of gravitation expressed itself in a more or less mathematical language. Structural homologues were discovered, not unlike those already observed by physicists in that sector of science, which deals with the reciprocal interaction of energy and matter, elements and compounds, the finite and the infinite. This correspondence convinced the scientists that they were confronted with a monstrous entity endowed with reason, a protoplasmic ocean brain, enveloping the entire planet and idling its time away in extravagant theoretical cognition about the nature of the universe. They bowed to the unknown, proclaiming the ancient doctrine, arrogantly resurrected, of ignoramus et ignorabimus. Others regarded the mathematicians' hypotheses as sterile and dangerous nonsense, contributing towards the creation of modern mythology based on the notion of this giant brain, whether plasmic or electronic, was immaterial, as the ultimate objective of existence, the very synthesis of life.